we are going to discuss here is basics of computer. As we all know that nowadays computers, mobile devices and all the electronic gadgets are very important necessities of every single individual. So in order to use them efficiently, we must have to be aware about the basic functionalities and their features. So this video is a very short description about the computers. Learning about computers, does anyone have a query arises in his or her mind that where does this word computer comes from? The term computer is derived from the Latin word computerae, which means to compute. And yes, very few of us knew that computer is also having a full form. Obviously, computer stands for commonly operated machine, particularly in use of technical and educational research. The most commonly used device computer is having its own known definition, saying a computer is an electronic machine which takes data as input, processes that data to generate information from it, and show the information as output. These three lines within themselves elaborate the four major tasks performed by the computer. So the four main tasks of computers are: input, takes input data from the user with the help of any of the input devices. Processing, processes the data with the help of CPU. Storage, stores the data for future reference in its memory. Output, display the output, or we can say information to the user with the help of any of the output devices. All these four steps revolves in this cyclic pattern every time a user interacts with the computer. Most commonly used input devices here are keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick and many more. Each device has its own characteristic features which distinguish it from another device. Similarly, like human brain, computers also have a brain named CPU, stands for Central Processing Unit. All the processing, or we can say execution of instructions, is done in this part of computer system. Computers are also having output devices as well, and each one delivers understandable output. Remember, input devices, CPU, output devices, all these together create a well-known mechanism known as IPO, stands for input, process, output. Different characteristics of computer. Out of the four main features of computer, the first one mentioned here is intelligence, which means never getting tired. Unlike humans, computers have the capability to work for hours, weeks, or even for months without getting tired. The second main feature of computer is versatility, which means it can do multiple tasks at the same time. The third main feature is accuracy, which means correct results. Whatever input is given by the user, the required output is generated by computer. So if you feed it wrong data as input, it will produce wrong information as output, which is nothing but GIGO. GIGO stands for garbage in and garbage out. So in order to maintain the accuracy in it, the user should also have to enter the accurate data. The fourth main feature of computer is its speed. Why computers are developed? Just to make the work faster and speedier. Because as per the thinking and working capabilities of humans, the speed of computers are millions times faster. They perform the calculation in millions of instructions per second. But remember, a computer cannot think on its own. It has zero IQ. Yes, the only drawback of computer is that they cannot think on their own. They do whatever they are told to do. A computer system is made up of hardware and software. Hardware refers to all the components of computer which can be physically touched, feel and see by humans. It can consist of all the input and output devices. And when we talk about software, softwares are nothing but the several programs that are responsible for the functioning of various hardware components of a computer. Further, software can be classified as application and system software.